How to start trading with GIFX Prime. Step 1. Open the website www.gifxprime.com and click Open Live Account button. Step 2. Fill the registration form and verify your email address. Step 3. Log into the website and click Open Trading Account button after uploading the documents and bank details. Then you will receive a login ID and password for MetaTrader 5 trading platform to the email. Step 4. Deposit funds to your trading account from the menu Deposit. Step 5. Download MetaTrader 5 application from the Play Store or App Store and log in using the following steps. Open MT5 application. Click Settings. Click Add Account. Search GIFX Prime Technologies. Log in using the MT5 login ID and password. Now you can see your trading account in MT5 and start trading. Wishing you a happy trading with GIFX Prime.